when we checked in, we were given a wee map of how to get to our room and some details of the amenities that's here. So there's a wee breakfast restaurant, which I think's a buffet. There's a wee restaurant at night, the little gift shop downstairs we got some juice and water and snacks and things from, just until we pick up the car to be able to go to Walmart. Got the hours and things there of the pool. The little kids splash zone looks amazing. Aria can't wait to try that. The Wi-Fi seems pretty okay so far. I've been able to get on like social media and stuff like that. I haven't tried any streaming, so we'll report back on that. They do apparently come in every day to do a bit of cleaning, which is different from some other resorts. Even Disney aren't doing that at the moment. And it just tells you how to get onto the Wi-Fi. Checkout is at 11 AM. We've also been given a wee parking pass just to put on the car. Just lets them know that we are staying here. And we're picking the car up in the morning. So the room is pretty basic. Sorry, it's a bit messy because we are now living in here. So you've got a desk with a wee chair where Aria's been doing her colouring in. Got a TV there with 4 big drawers, and there's actually these really good bits underneath for storage. So we've been keeping all our milk and snacks and stuff in there. It's a pretty big wardrobe. You don't get very many hangers, so if you've got loads of clothes, I'd maybe bring hangers with you. 2 good sized beds and a wee chair over there, which has been really good for feeding. Got a bit of a grumpy Aubrey, and the aircon unit, which hasn't been that loud at all, so there was no issue sleeping. When we asked for a packing plate or a travel cot for Aubrey, they actually sent up this, which is a rollaway crib, kind of like what you get in Disney, which is actually much better. It seems much comfier than a travel cot is. There is also, move the cot out the way, it's on wheels, which is good. There's a wee safe there, which we've managed to get a MacBook, an iPad, all the bits and bobs in, so it's a pretty good set. So at the back of the room there's these sliding doors, which is very similar to what some of the new recently done up Disney resorts have, which hides the bathroom. Hello. So there is a microwave and a fridge, and this wee shelf, just what we've set up as like a station for our snacks and making bottles and stuff. So we've got our kettle with us. You do get a hairdryer, which is pretty good. There's a good bit of storage under there for keeping your toiletries and stuff. Through this door is a bathroom. Everything you would need really: a toilet, a shower, which is really quite powerful, which is good, a bath, which is really, the baths in Florida for some reason are dead shallow, so it was quite hard to bath the kids, but it'll do. There was a couple of, there was a shampoo and conditioner there in case you forgot anything, but everything is really, really clean. We're actually really, really impressed with the room. There's also these barn doors, which something actually quite fancy happens here. If you see, presenting Aria! She's been dying to do that after she's seen somebody do it on a vlog. Do you like it? Yeah. What do you think of the room?
It's pretty.
Do you like it? So all in all, we're really impressed with the room, especially for what we paid for it. We got a really good deal with TUI. I definitely would stay here again. We've stayed in other places in International Drive, if you've seen our previous vlog series, that I would not step foot in if you paid me. This is brilliant. It is a wee bit dated to a British standard because Floridians like to use a lot of like dark wood, but it's really clean. Everything's spotless. So we definitely stay here again. We probably will stay here again. Taking on tips that we've had from other vloggers and from Facebook groups and things, we did ask for a car park view, because apparently if you get a pool view it can be quite noisy because the I-4 runs at the back. We had absolutely no problem sleeping last night. The aircon unit, as I said, was on, which probably would actually give white noise to kind of block out a lot of noise, but yeah, I had no problem sleeping. We were absolutely exhausted, mind you, but yeah, we really like it here. But today is a very big day. It's a bucket list day for me. So Dad has just gone to pick up the hire car. We decided not to get it from the airport. We just used two-way transfers because it is quite a distance. It took us like 85 minutes to get here yesterday, and after a long haul flight that's quite a long way to drive, especially on the wrong side of the road. So Dad's away to pick up the car just now from the Hilton. He just got an Uber across. When he comes back I'll find out how much the Uber was. You okay, Bobsy? And then we are going to check in to the Grand Floridian. I'm so excited. We're actually staying in the new DVC villas, which actually only opened today, so we're one of the first people ever to stay in them. I'm so excited. Actually cannot wait. So we'll take you along, let you see what the new Grand Floridian rooms look like, and somebody's very excited to try the pool. Right, we'll see you soon. So we picked up our hire car, it's a Nissan Altima. Taking a tip from the Night Strider, and we're just going to have a walk around and film everything, just so that when we take it back we can't say there was any damage on it that wasn't caused by us. There's Aria. And a couple of wee scuffs on there. Just show you the boot. Decent sized boot. We've got one really big suitcase in, a stroller, a backpack and a big bag. You wouldn't have been able to get from the airport in this. And Daddy's just clipping an Aubrey. It's a wee bit smaller than what we normally get, but it'll do. So it's alright inside. It's got a wee screen. It's no good CarPlay, so Dad's a bit raging. But there's a limit on car hire just now. First world problems with no good CarPlay. But it's comfy enough. How does it feel?
Alright, fine, alright.
It's a bit of just a pure dad car, isn't it?
That's a bit, isn't it?
So we've just decided that we're going to go to Walmart on the way to Disney, just to get some, what do we need, water, snacks maybe, just a wander, pick up a gun, I don't know. Love a wee Walmart jaunt. What do you want for Walmart, Ari? Don't know what side you are, oh, you're here. What do you want for Walmart?
Colourful goldfish.
Oh, you want gold? Aria loves goldfish crackers, and they do rainbow ones, don't they?
Yeah.
They're the ones you want? Oh, exciting. Right, Aria, what have you found?
Found the colours.
Is that the ones you want? The coloured ones? Right, so that little pack she picked up there was $2.40 and that one's $9. You think you're going to eat all of them? Right, okay then. Right, stick them in the trolley.
I'll take out the full trolley.
We have also picked up sugar cookies and strawberries. So we have arrived at the Grand Floridian. I'm so excited. You excited, Ari?
Yeah,
Look at the size of that box of goldfish. It's huge. I didn't realise how big it was. It's nearly the same size as you. Aria's rocking on new Ray-Bans that she got at the airport yesterday. She's a cool kid.
Am I crazy?
Yes. Actually, can I... So today's purchase of the day of these little Disney Princess bath toys. We're actually not going to use them in the bath because they end up going all mouldy. We've bought these for Aubrey because they're really good for little fat baby hands to get a hold of. So we've got Rapunzel, Jasmine, I mean how cute is that, Tiana? Tiana, Belle and Cinderella. They were $24.99 plus tax, but we get DVC discount off them, so they were like just over $20, and she's already been playing with them for ages, so a good reinvestment, and they come in a wee bucket. I'll never get over how pretty this carpet is. So we have come to Contemporary Cafe in the Contemporary for some dinner tonight. So Aria has got chicken nuggets and chips again. Daddy's got, is that a kid's one? A kid's cheeseburger, it's massive.
Isn't that lovely?
It actually comes, each of the kids' meals come with cookies. I got a chicken Caesar salad because I love them. And the kids' meals come with a milk and a chocolate milk. And that's my sauce there. What was the damage, Dad? We don't know what the damage was. $28. I don't think that was too bad. So we've come to the walkway between Contemporary and Bailey to watch the fireworks. And this shit's sleeping right through.